So mobile home parks, I got a couple things I want to mention. It's a great way to make money because if you're familiar with the concept, so you have some land and it is approved for mobile home park. It has to be permitted for that. It has to be, the city has to approve it. They have to get the approval from the neighborhood. And everybody want to help the poor, but they don't want the poor in their backyard. You understand the concept? So it's very hard to get them approved in many parts of the country. So you have the land, and it has pads, like it has area where the mobile homes, the manufactured homes also are right there. You're with me? So imagine that's the mobile home park. And then this unit here is where the managers live, usually a couple. The woman is very organized to do the leases. The man is the maintenance person. And you can come in and own this. And it has available added mobile homes that you can bring in and install here. You're with me so far? So that's an upside. One way to have an upside is you buy it, there are so many available, and they are rented, so they bring you income. You got that point? Can I hear a yes? Yeah. You can also, if you own one, you can go to the renters and you tell them, how would you like to own this? So you can sell it to them and carry the financing. So they are leasing with an option to buy. And you can finance it, let's say, over 15 years or maybe 20 years. What are you trying to do when you finance something instead of 15, 20? You're trying to do what with the payments? Lower the payments to make it more affordable for these people. Now, it's a chattel. That means a personal property. It's not a real property. However, you can anchor them down. They can actually build bricks under it and all this, and then it becomes real estate. The interesting part is, statistically, when you sell one, they are paying you for the actual mobile home itself, manufactured home, if you will, but they also have to pay you the land lease. You with me on this? Because it is on a leased land. So you sell it, you get a payment from the actual property, and you get another payment from the land. You got it? Statistically, within 4 to 5 years, those who made the payments have a lease or option to buy, they want to move. So what do they say? I'm not going to find a company to hold this mobile home and take it across the freeway to another state and anchor it somewhere else. I'm just not going to exercise my option. I'm leaving. So the owner of the park gives them a chance to own. Seldom they exercise the option. So you end up with somebody who cares about the condition of the unit because they think they're going to own it, etc. But at the end, they actually don't buy it. Now, I don't like a business model that doesn't have a win-win. So I'm not presenting this like, oh, you know what, we got them now. Because it's not fair, okay? But invariably, as I talk to people that have mobile home parks, they said, look, we give them the chance to own, and some actually pay it off, and they own it. The problem is, these mobile home parks deteriorate. You understand? And remember, if it's in a hurricane area, it's a mobile home. So if there's a lot of wind, it's mobile, it's gone. It's like, what happened to the home? So you have to have good insurance and all this. Often I get the question, if I'm buying a mobile home park, I'm running around, I can't find insurance, what do I do? The person you're buying from will tell you the insurance that insured the mobile home park. It's not so difficult. And that is, we can Google it and find companies that specialize in this. But the upside is the following, is not paying too much for the mobile home itself. So if you buy one that's already got the approval to operate as a mobile home park, you have an advantage. If you can convince these people to pay you monthly and give them the chance to own, that's another advantage. Because it's going to stay with you. They're not going to really move it out. It's just not going to make sense for them to move it out. So you're going to charge them a little bit more and they're going to care for it. So if you find the win-win with that, do it. You're also still leasing the land, so you're still getting some good income. It's not so difficult to operate. Like the Bible said, the poor will always be among us. So let's help them. Now, there are companies that sell mobile homes and ship it, so they manufacture them, put them in special trucks, and deliver them to you wherever it is. It's in Wisconsin, in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. They will deliver it, they will place it for you, they will anchor it down, do all the hookups, and leave. And you can make monthly payments. So you can do a lease, sublease. Like you can do a payment of, let's say, $200 a month to own a brand new one, but you can sell it at $500 a month. You're with me on this? So you can have a spread with very little down payment. So it could be extremely profitable if you get into the world of mobile home parks. Extremely profitable.